Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about purchase protection and who it really protects, because a lot of us think of purchase protection as being there for the buyers, and Etsy does promote it that way. Like here's another thing that buyers don't have to worry about getting ripped off, or they don't have to worry about their packages being lost or whatever. You're going to get refunded. That's great, but really purchase protection is there to protect the sellers. It's not there to protect buyers. Because let's say that let's say purchase protection doesn't exist, okay, because it didn't for a long time. What happens when a customer says, I didn't get my order? Etsy refunds them. But where does the money come from? This is the question. Where does the money come from? If purchase protection wasn't there, Etsy would refund them, but it would take the money out of your bank account because you're the seller. No matter what, the customer is getting their money, but purchase protection is there to let us keep our money if we didn't do anything wrong. All right. So basically, Etsy has these guidelines in place. And if you send everything based on the rules of purchase protection, you are protected as the seller. Now, it's not guaranteed that they're always going to, rule in your favor. But in general, what I've seen so far as this program has been in place is that for most cases, they have been following the rules that they say they have in place, and sellers have been getting refunded. Buyers also get refunded. Well, we don't get refunded. We just don't get the money taken out of our accounts. Now, in cases where you have not shipped things according to the rules of purchase protection, the money still does come out of your account. So yeah, purchase protection is there to protect the sellers, not the buyers. All right. And they do, Etsy says, hey, we're going to tell all the buyers how great our purchase protection is. But they've had that all along. That's always been there. And customers have always been able to get refunds. It's just automated now, it's faster, but the refunds don't necessarily come out of our bank accounts. So just realize that, because some people were saying, oh, purchase protection protects the buyers. No, Etsy's going to refund the buyers regardless, but purchase protection is there to protect the sellers as long as you follow their rules, which are always easy to follow depending on what country you live in. But I just want to have people understand that and kind of appreciate that to a certain degree, because it does kind of take that one piece of refunding customers out of your bank account off our plate. So it's actually a good program. All right. Leave me any questions. Leave me your thoughts about it. Have you benefited from purchase protection by not having to repay someone? I have. There's been several cases, but maybe you haven't. Leave me any questions, give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later.